So we got this situation. So it's binomial thing, means you will have two binomial subscript together in the series, means you will have question which will look like this. Okay, so try to understand this part, like how we will proceed this question. So the idea is binomial means we guys have multiplied two different binomial expansions. Suppose this is n. Okay, so you know how to expand this one, correct? Now then later what you did, you have expanded another thing, 1 plus x power m. So you got this thing. Now what we did, we have multiplied both the equations. Okay, so we have multiplied both the equations and we will have so many things together, correct? You know that if we will multiply quadratic equation with quadratic, you know how things will proceed, correct? Now you know that, like how we should uh, proceed this question, means on the right hand side we will have something as the coefficient of x power 0, we will have something as the coefficient of x power 1, we will have something as the coefficient of x power 2, and so on. So what they did to create this question is, they have handpicked one of the coefficient and then they substituted here as a question. Now you have to find out what is the coefficient of that expression. Is that okay? Now, so how we will proceed this question, try to understand. So first, instead of working on the right hand side, we will focus on the left hand side component, correct? You know that on right hand side there are so many things, but on the left hand side we have only two component, and if we will multiply we will have 1 plus x power m plus n. So the idea is we have to find out the variable. Okay, means we want coefficient of x square, we want coefficient of x power 5, 20, 30, 40, because finding coefficient over here is much more easier as compared to this. So what you have to do, step 1, first write down the formula of TR. The rth term you have to write, correct? Now second step, you have to manipulate lower subscript. Okay, to make sum free from r. Okay, now you have to do this as the second step. Now in third step, add lower subscript. Okay, now this addition will give you the power of x. Okay, addition of lower subscript. Okay, now you are good to go with the questions and you can solve any illustrations. Okay, I hope that you got little bit of clarity. When we will solve some illustrations, you will have better understanding about the concept and you can apply in various forms. Okay.